In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cTrader Watchlist. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create a custom watch list and populate it with the symbols you care about so you can monitor markets more efficiently. A watch list is simply a focused set of instruments, like your favorite currency pairs or indices, that you want to keep an eye on without searching for them every time. Start by opening cTrader. When the platform loads, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where the Market Watch or Watch Lists area lives. It's the panel that shows instruments and their prices. If you don't see it right away, it may be collapsed. In that case, click the symbol icon or the Market Watch label to expand it so the list becomes visible. Once the panel is open, scroll all the way to the bottom of that watch list area. There, you'll find the option to create a new list. Click Create New Watch List. A small window will appear asking for a name. Choose something descriptive that helps you recognize its purpose at a glance. For example, you might call it Forex Majors if you plan to track the most traded currency pairs. When you're happy with the name, click OK to confirm. Your new watch list is now created, and it's time to add symbols to it. Next to your watch list's name, look for the plus icon. Click that plus icon to begin adding instruments. You'll see a search bar at the top of the panel. Type in the symbol or name you're looking for. This could be a currency like EURUSD, a commodity, or another instrument offered by your broker in cTrader. As results appear, click the symbol or symbols you want to include. Each one you click is instantly added, and you'll see them appear inside your watch list. If you're building a focused set, continue searching and clicking until you've added everything you need. Take your time and verify you're selecting the correct symbols, especially if there are multiple versions or different contract specifications available. That's all there is to it. You've opened cTrader, accessed the Market Watch area, created a new watch list with a clear, memorable name, and added symbols using the plus icon and the search bar. From here, your chosen instruments will stay grouped together, making it faster to check prices and track market movement at a glance. If you're following along, pause and repeat the add process for any additional instruments you want to monitor, and you'll have a clean, organized watch list tailored to your trading focus.